Are your office drawers completely disorganized? Do you not know where to start when setting up your office drawers? In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite office drawer organizers, how I keep them in place, and how you can set up an effective system for your drawers. Jessica, and I teach families just like you how to organize with tips, tricks, and tutorials. I'm going to show you how to shop the Container Store like a professional. I am in the bathroom section at the Container Store looking for my favorite stacking drawer organizers. I love these organizers because they come in a bunch of different sizes because they stack on top of each other. Okay, there are two ways that you can figure out the type of drawer organizer that you need. The first is to measure the width and the length of your drawer. Then bring tape measures and lay them out on the floor so you can see how you can arrange the drawer organizers in your drawer. The second option that you can do is just grab a bunch of organizers and use some sticky tape or sticky backing and stick them in your drawers so that they don't slide all over. I am in my office with my stackable acrylic drawer organizers. First thing I'm going to do is place them all. Woo! That plastic around it, it's loud. First thing I'm going to do is place them in my drawer. Like I said earlier, if the organizers move around in your drawers, make sure to add some adhesive to the bottom. That way they will stick in your drawers perfectly. The last thing you have to do is add in all of your supplies. Now run to the Container Store and go in the bath section to find these amazing stackable drawer organizers. And head over to Practically Perfect to see how they use their drawer organizers. Won't use that one.